Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel where we make physics simple and fun. Today's topic: density. Sounds boring? Nope. It's the reason why ships float, why some objects sink, and even why your luggage feels heavier on a holiday. Stick around because in just 5 minutes you'll master it. So what actually is density? Simple density equals mass divided by volume. It tells us how tightly packed the matter in an object is. Imagine a sponge and a rock. The sponge is light and airy, low density. The rock is heavy and compact, high density. Formula to remember: density, rho, equals mass divided by volume. Unit of density: kilograms per cubic meter, kg per cubic meter, or grams per cubic centimeter, g per cubic centimeter. Density isn't just science trivia, it matters everywhere. Even though ships are massive, they float because their overall density, including all that air inside, is less than the density of water. Hot air is less dense than cold air, so the balloon rises. Simple but amazing. Ice floats because it's less dense than liquid water. That's why you only see the tip of an iceberg above the surface. Okay, so how do you measure density in real life? Easy. Step 1. Measure the mass using a balance. Step 2. Measure the volume, which is length times width times height. Step 3. Plug into the formula. Use the famous Eureka can. Drop the object in water. The amount of water it pushes out equals its volume. Mass divided by volume equals density. Boom! Science in action! Let's smash a quick example. A metal block has a mass of 300 grams and a volume of 100 cubic centimeters. What's its density? Nice and easy. Always remember to check your units. And that's it. Density made simple. Next time you see a ship, a balloon, or even an ice cube, you'll know the real science behind it. If you found this helpful, smash that like button, subscribe for more easy GCSE physics tips, and comment below. Should we do moments next or specific heat capacity? See you in the next one. Keep it dense, keep it smart.